Have you ever wondered what it's like to stand in front of a machine that could flatten mountains, move entire landscapes, or even change the course of history? In this video, we're diving deep into * 17 of the most dangerous and powerful machines ever built, colossal machines that can shake the earth, defy gravity, and push the limits of human engineering. Welcome to SAM Official Tech *, where we explore the technology that powers the world like never before. Stay tuned, because these machines are not just massive, they're also incredibly dangerous. Size and power *. The Big Muskie was the largest dragline excavator ever built, with a weight of 13,000 tons and a boom that stretched over 200 feet long. This machine could scoop up to 70 tons of earth in a single load. Danger factor *. The sheer scale and strength of this machine meant it could pose a serious risk to anyone working around it. Its massive bucket could easily cause damage or injury if not carefully controlled. Use *. This colossal excavator was used primarily in strip mining, removing massive quantities of earth to access coal beneath the surface. Capacity *. With a payload of up to 400 tons, the Caterpillar 797B is one of the largest hauled trucks ever made, designed for extreme mining conditions. Danger factor *. Its enormous size, combined with high speeds of up to 64 km per hour when fully loaded, makes it a potential hazard to operators and anyone nearby. Power *. The truck is powered by a 4,000 horsepower engine, providing it the strength to carry massive amounts of material across mining sites. Lifting power *. The Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1 * is the strongest mobile crane in the world, capable of lifting up to 1,200 tons. Its boom extends to a record-breaking 100 meters. Danger factor *. Handling loads this heavy, especially at great heights, creates a significant danger for construction workers and the crane operator. Any failure in the mechanism can cause fatal accidents. Use *. This machine is essential for lifting massive components for skyscrapers, bridges, and other large infrastructure projects. Size and power *. The Bagger 293 * is the largest excavator on the planet. Standing at a height of 96 meters and weighing over 14,000 tons, its bucket wheel can scoop 100 tons of earth with each rotation. Danger factor *. Its enormous size and the dangerous work environments, such as mining pits and construction zones, make it a hazardous machine to operate. Use *. It's primarily used in coal mining, where its massive digging capacity can remove layers of earth to expose coal deposits. Weight and blade size *. The Komatsu D575A is one of the heaviest bulldozers in the world, weighing 140 tons and equipped with a blade that spans 7 meters across. Danger factor *. Its immense power, combined with the tough conditions it works in, makes it a dangerous machine. Operators face the risk of the machine tipping or getting stuck in unstable ground. Power *. Powered by a 1,150 horsepower engine, the D575A is capable of pushing enormous amounts of dirt, rubble, and earth, making it a key player in large-scale land clearing projects. Capacity asterisk. The Belaz 75710 asterisk is the largest mining dump truck ever created, capable of carrying a load of 450 tons. Its massive bed is designed for transporting heavy mining materials. Danger factor asterisk. The size and weight of this vehicle make it a hazard, especially on uneven or tight terrain. There is also the risk of its load shifting during transport. Power asterisk. With two 850 horsepower engines, this machine can travel at speeds of up to 64 kilometers per hour, even when fully loaded with materials. Lifting power asterisk. The S-64 Skycrane is an aerial giant, capable of lifting 25,000 pounds in the air. It's used to transport large, heavy objects like machinery, building materials, and sometimes even vehicles. Danger factor asterisk. Flying with such a large load and operating at low altitudes in busy or unstable environments is highly dangerous for the pilot and anyone in the vicinity. Use asterisk. It's employed in construction, firefighting, and military operations for lifting and transporting large loads that would otherwise be impossible to move. Capacity and power asterisk. The XCMG XE8000 asterisk is a huge mining excavator with a bucket that can hold up to 42 cubic meters of material. Danger factor asterisk. Its immense size and the environment in which it operates, open-pit mines, make it extremely dangerous for workers and operators alike, with risks of machine failure or accidents during operation. Use asterisk. This machine is used in large-scale mining projects to dig through hard rock and earth. Functionality asterisk. The jumbo drill rig is used to drill tunnels through solid rock, making it an essential tool for building roads, railways, and underground utilities. Danger factor asterisk. The pressure of drilling through rock, combined with confined workspaces and the risk of tunnel collapses, makes it one of the most dangerous pieces of machinery to operate. Power asterisk. The rig is equipped with powerful drill heads and hydraulic systems to break through even the toughest rock formations. Lifting capacity asterisk. The XCMG QUY800 asterisk is a massive crawler crane that can lift 800 tons, making it one of the most powerful cranes on construction sites. Danger factor asterisk. With such large lifting capacities, there's a risk of the crane tipping over or suffering mechanical failure, especially when lifting extremely heavy materials in crowded construction zones. Use asterisk. This crane is used in large infrastructure projects, including the construction of skyscrapers and bridges. Functionality asterisk. The shuttle wagon railcar mover is used to transport railcars in large rail yards and industrial sites. Danger factor asterisk. The massive size and power of this machine create a risk to both operators and ground workers who may be in the vicinity when it's moving heavy railcars. Use asterisk. It's essential for keeping rail yards operational and is used extensively in industries like mining and manufacturing. Capacity asterisk. The Liebherr R9800 asterisk is a hydraulic mining excavator capable of holding up to 42 cubic meters of material in its bucket. Danger factor asterisk. Operating in the deep pits of mining sites and handling heavy rocks and earth is inherently dangerous for both the operator and anyone working nearby. Use asterisk. It's used to extract ore and minerals from the earth in large-scale mining operations. Capacity asterisk. The Goliath crane is designed to handle the massive weight of containers and cargo ships in busy port environments, lifting loads of up to 1,000 tons. Danger factor asterisk. The size and capacity of this crane make it extremely dangerous, with the risk of accidents involving large, shifting loads in tight port spaces. Use asterisk. It's primarily used in shipping ports to unload and load large ships efficiently. Capacity asterisk. The Airbus Beluga XL ** is an oversized cargo plane designed to transport extremely large and heavy parts for aircraft construction and other industries. Danger factor **. Flying with such a large and heavy cargo can be dangerous, especially when landing or maneuvering in tight spaces. Use **. It's used primarily in the aerospace industry, transporting large components between factories. Functionality **. The Hausfeld 9000 * hydraulic press is a heavy-duty machine used for forming, shaping, and cutting metal. Danger factor asterisk. The sheer force exerted by this machine, combined with high pressures, makes it extremely dangerous for anyone working near it without the proper safety precautions. Use asterisk. It's used in industrial manufacturing, particularly for making parts for automotive and aerospace industries. Power asterisk. The Volvo EC950F crawler excavator can carry a load of up to 40 tons, making it one of the most powerful machines in the construction industry. Danger factor asterisk. Its size and the nature of its tasks digging, lifting make it a hazard in both construction and mining environments. Use asterisk. It's used in large excavation projects, including those for infrastructure and mining operations. Functionality asterisk. These forklifts are designed to lift extremely heavy loads in large warehouses, shipping yards, and factories, with the capability of lifting up to 50 tons. Danger factor asterisk. Moving such heavy loads in confined spaces is risky, especially when handling loads that shift unexpectedly. Use asterisk. These forklifts are used to transport heavy materials in industrial environments, requiring careful handling to avoid accidents. From the Big Muskie to the Airbus Beluga XL ***, we've just explored 17 of the most dangerous and powerful machines on Earth. These machines don't just shape industries, they push the boundaries of what's possible. But with great power comes great risk, and that's exactly why they're so fascinating. If you enjoyed this tour of the world's most formidable machines, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Thanks for watching Sam Official Tech. We'll see you in the next video.